all dimes and nickels, so I'm going to use D and N, make that a little bit easier. It says that I have 17 coins, so I have no idea how many I have of each of them, but together they add up to 17. Now, if I'm going to start talking about the actual money in my pocket, I need to make sure that every dime is accounted for as money for 0.1, and that all of my nickels is 0.05 for those. And I want to figure out how many of each coin does he have. I have a lot of options here. I'm not hugely fond of all of my decimals, and so I know that if I multiply through by 100 on all of those, the decimals will disappear. So if I take 1.15 times 100, I would get 115, no decimals. If I do 0.05 times 100, whoops, I get 5, so that's nice. And if I do 100 times 0.1, I get 10. So that's a little nicer to me. I'm going to go ahead and use, I'm going to go ahead and use the combination method. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply through this by -5. That'll be a -5D, and then a -5N, and 17 times 5 is 85, so that's a -85. So when I combine them, those go away. I'm left with 5Ds is equal to 115 minus 85, which gives me 30, and D is equal to 6. So that means I have 6 dimes, and by default, that means I have 11 nickels.